Hello everyone, PS from PS Invest Plays here today. With the semiconductor chip shortage, I anticipate we can make some good money by investing in semiconductor chip stocks, which still have room to grow. Today, we are going to look at two interesting stocks. Both of them are the biggest manufacturer of semiconductor chips. In this video, I'll go over reasons to consider before buying them, do a technical review, and provide their stock price prediction, short and long term. And finally, my recommendation of whether to buy, hold, or sell these stocks, short and long term. So stick around. I think you'll like what I have in store for you today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Alright, the first one, Lam Research, ticker LRCX. Lam Research is a leading manufacturer of the equipment used to make semiconductors. Its plasma etch machines are used to create tiny circuitry patterns on silicon wafers. It makes memory chips, chips used in cloud computing and smartphones, primarily used in 5G enabled phones. Lam Research is one of the biggest beneficiary of the ridiculously high demand for chips used in these business areas. The company also makes cleaning equipment that keeps unwarranted particles from contaminating processed chips or wafers. Lam also provides products and services to maximize equipment performance. The customers for Lam Research include some of the world's largest chip makers, such as Micron Technology, Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, and Taiwan Semiconductor chips, each of which represents more than 10% of revenue for Lam Research. Think of Lam Research as the vendor that actually does the legwork of manufacturing. All these companies such as Samsung or Micron design the chips and they outsource that manufacturing to Lam Research. All the customers for Lam Research are primarily located in Asian countries, which account for 85% of revenue for Lam Research. This company is not new. It was established in 1980. The estimated average revenue growth in 2021 is approximately 25%. Now, apart from solid revenue growth, the company is highly profitable with a 5-year gross profit margin of 45%. Net margins have increased to 22% when you compare that 5 years ago, when it was 16%. In terms of free cash flow, the company has an average revenue of 24.4%. These are excellent numbers. Let's look at the technical chart for Lam Research. I primarily like a chart which dates back 20-30 years, as it allows me to see long-term trends. Now, with Lam Research, if we look as far back as 1991, we can see that the bull run that started at that point is not over. Very good sign. Is in the third leg, which is the strongest bull wave in Elliott wave. And this bull wave, the third wave, has completed first 4 waves and is on the final wave, which should take the price target for Lam Research to $739, leaving a 14% upside potential in the short term. but the story is not over yet. At that point, I expect the price to drop with a resistance of $500 and a support coming around $591. I advise or recommend everyone to buy at these levels to maximize your profits. With the final wave, which is the fifth wave of the larger bull run that started in 1991, I expect the price to reach $1,050 within 5 to 6 years, which is a 62 to 70% upside potential. Excellent buy according to me. Let's move on to the next semiconductor manufacturing company, Applied Materials, ticker AMAT. This company is very similar to Lam Research. In fact, Lam Research is a competitor to Applied Materials. It supplies equipment, services, and software for the manufacture of semiconductor chips for electronics, flat panel displays for computers, smartphones, televisions, and solar products. Again, the biggest customers for chip making equipment are three of the biggest chip makers: Samsung Electronics, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, and Intel. Each of these represents around 10% revenue for Applied Materials. The net income has been increasing exponentially year over year and quarter over quarter. The EBITDA has been increasing as well, and so is the revenue. The numbers are extremely good. And with the momentum with semiconductor industry, I think these numbers should get even better. Now, what does the technical charts tell us for Applied Materials? The charts look good for Applied Materials. The bull run that started for Applied Materials in 2009, I see that the first wave ended in 2020 with a sharp pullback, and now Applied Materials is in the third and the strongest bull wave. If we look closer at this bull wave, we can see that the first 4 waves are completed and it is marching towards its final leg to complete this third wave with a price target of approximately $165. So that leaves us a 20% upside potential in the next 1 to 2 years. But the story is not over yet. After this price target is achieved, I expect Applied Materials to get into a corrective mode where the price should drop as low as $115. And if you enter Applied Material at that point or somewhere around $120 or $125, that would be a very good entry point, because the final leg of this bull wave that started in 2009 should take the price target for Applied Materials to $197, with the minimum that I expect is at least $178. But I'm very confident that $197 can be achieved. That means we have 43% to 64% upside potential left in the next 5 to 6 years. Very good buy, or very good company to buy. So what is my recommendation? Lam Research, I think you can easily expect a 14% upside potential that is left, which you can expect in the next 1 to 2 years before a sharper pullback. And in the next 5 to 6 years, definitely a 64 to 70% upside potential. Applied materials is also in the similar ballpark. Slightly better short-term view, 20% for applied materials, and 43 to 64% upside potential left for the 5 to 6 years time horizon. What do you think of this analysis? Please leave a comment and let me know. As always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Until then, bye-bye.